This floor we completed yesterday. Charlie completed. It's a beautiful color, beautiful craftsmanship. He went all around all the corners perfectly around these wheel wells. Beautiful, but it scratches. This is the product. It's by the Traffic Master Group, and it says that it's waterproof, and it says that it is resists dents and hides subfloor irregularities. It says that it's scratch proof, and it is not. And up here there's all these scratches, and we literally laid the floor yesterday, and of course all these other things are on top of the spot.
Gonna get to it.
So this floor has scratches on it after just installing it, and it is faulty flooring that is labeled as it's faulty flooring labeled as scratch resistant and scratch proof. And as you can see here, this is after literally
one
day of deep gouge scratches in this, and that's in several places, but this is the best one that I can show you right here. Deep scratches after it says scratch proof, scratch resistant, and it isn't. So we've bought new product, which we plan on installing today after we pull this out. And just so you know, in terms of this other product, it is sold at Home Depot, this Traffic Master Ridge Core Vinyl Plank Flooring, which is crap, total crap. And here's the number on it. And they do not return it once you open the box. And they make you contact the manufacturer directly. So terrible, terrible customer service at Home Depot. And we went to another flooring specialist place to get the kind of flooring that we want, and we'll let you know more about that when we install it.